How to transfer employee in Workday. First of all, make sure you have the appropriate permissions in Workday, such as HR administrator or manager access, to initiate employee transfers. Then log in to Workday and search for the employee's profile you want to transfer. Once on their profile, look for the Actions button, usually near the top or on the employee's profile card. From there, navigate to Job Change and select Transfer. After selecting Transfer, you will need to enter the new location, department, or supervisory organization where the employee is moving. You can also update the worker's job title, manager, or other relevant details if needed. Set the effective date of the transfer, which is the date when the transfer officially takes effect. Next, review all the changes carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, submit the transfer. Depending on your organization's approval workflow, the transfer request might go through one or more approvals before it is finalized. The employee will receive a notification once the transfer is approved, and the system will automatically update their records accordingly. So this is how to transfer employee in Workday, and make sure to like and subscribe if this helped.